In this first part of our 5-part mini-series on our cloud journey, we're going to talk about cloud native strategy. Cloud native strategy. Why do we have to start with strategy? Why can't we just jump in? The truth of the matter is you will learn a lot by just jumping in. In fact, this is probably the best way to start playing with individual technology elements. But when it comes to your overarching journey, just jumping in is not the right approach. First, we want to start with a true business problem. What is it you're trying to solve for? What will success look like? This is probably going to be something like a business agility problem, or maybe a new market that you want to take care of or take advantage of. This is probably an area that you are needing to use modern technology because other businesses, your competition, or maybe even the entire industry has not yet solved. So this modern technology solution is going to enable you to start something new or take advantage of something new. Therefore, having a clear vision around that idea is important to set the stage for the entire journey. In addition, you'll need a roadmap. You'll define the future phases in detail, but you'll need a roadmap to define at a high level what those phases look like, so that you can keep people engaged and motivated. Now, each of those phases will need to be small and short enough, so you'll need to define KPIs or milestones every few months to show where success looks like and the fact that you're moving in the right direction. You'll need to have individual discrete wins that keep the team engaged and motivated and moving forward. And you're going to want to define this early on in your strategy. Finally, you will also need to define clearly what is and is out of scope. You'll want to define those things that are not differentiating to your business and take those out of scope. Those things can be SaaSed away, those applications can be moved out, or maybe even moved to the business. But the things that are differentiating to you, those are going to be in scope, and those are things that you are going to have a very clear strategy around within your overarching cloud strategy. And finally, you're going to want to clearly define accountability and empowerment. You are going to want to say, these are the people who are empowered to go do X thing. But here's how I'm holding them accountable. This is what success looks like, and this is what I expect from you. Accountability and empowerment are two things that go hand in hand in a successful cloud strategy. Next, we're going to talk about cloud culture, which very clearly starts to implement some of the strategic decisions that you make within your organization.